Put this in your house and 1 hour later you'll never see flies or mosquitoes again. Summer rains and warm temperatures attract mosquitoes in droves. Did you know that mosquitoes and flies are most active at temperatures above 80 degrees? With so many diseases transmitted by mosquitoes, there's nothing better than knowing how to protect yourself and your family from these pesky insects. After we tried this recipe, the mosquitoes and flies were simply gone. That's why I want to share this trick with you. But first, tell me, what insects annoy you the most in your house? In today's video, you'll learn how to make a natural recipe to get rid of mosquitoes and ants at home. Although many consider them annoying visitors, mosquitoes play an important role in nature. Therefore, instead of killing them, you should think of alternatives to keep them away from your home or garden. Both mosquitoes and flies can be very unpleasant, especially on hot days and at bedtime. Learn now the ingredients of this recipe that you can use to keep them away from your house forever. Step 1. Create a natural bug repellent spray using an essential oil that bugs can't stand, like citronella, eucalyptus, or lavender. Mix a few drops of the essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Step 2. Spray this magical concoction around doorways, windows, and other potential entry points. Bugs will be deterred by the scent, and you'll enjoy a bug-free environment. But wait, there's more. Step 3. Pesky fruit flies are no match for this simple trap. Fill a small bowl with apple cider vinegar and a drop of dish soap. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and poke a few holes in it. The irresistible scent will lure fruit flies in, but they won't be able to escape. Step 4. Burn citronella candles or torches in your outdoor space to create a mosquito-free zone. Not only will these add ambience, but they'll also keep those bloodsuckers at bay. Step 5. Install screens on your windows and doors to prevent bugs from entering your home while still enjoying fresh air. Step 6. Keep your living space clean and free of food debris. Bugs are less likely to be attracted to your home when there's nothing to feast on. There you have it, everyone. The household secret that will bid farewell to flies and mosquitoes once and for all. Embrace the power of natural solutions and reclaim your living space from these unwelcome guests. So, let's take charge of our living spaces and make them pest-free zones. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited to try this natural bug repellent. Try it and then share your experience with me.